Hi, Jess PM. Thank you sa pag-follow. Hindi pa po. Kakagising ko lang po halos, di ba? Ay, 43 minutes ago, kakagising ko lang. Cardiovascular disorders are divided into two major groups. First one is congenital. Hi, baby M. Baby M? Magbabago ba ang Pilipinas dyan, baby M? Kaya pala wala kayong pasok. And holiday. Hi, Shangchu. Are divided into two major groups, congenital heart disease and acquired heart disease. Congenital heart disease includes anatomic abnormalities present at birth that result in abnormal cardiac function. The incidence of CHD, Heidenberg, Mr. Graham, divided yung cardiovascular disorders sa congenital heart disease and acquired heart disease. Congenital from birth, acquired ng kuha lang or basta ganun. Tapos, defects with blood flow. Merong divided defects with blood flow. Divided pa yun sa, alam ko, 4. May pag-increase ng blood flow, may pag-decrease ng blood flow, may mixed defects, and ano yung isa? 4 yun eh. Ano yung isa? Obstructive defects. High death con. Ay. Hi, Oscar. Increased pulmonary blood flow includes ID number includes atrial septal defect, ventricular septal defect, ano pa kasi, patent ductus arteriosus. Na-notes ko kasi to kaya medyo may knowledge ako. Ano ba yung isa? Patent ductus arteriosus. Di ko na lang isa. Arterioventricular canal. Tapos some obstructive defects. Pulmonary stenosis. Wala na ako alam. Aortic stenosis and coarctation of aorta. Then sa pag-decrease ng blood flow, mag-review din kayo. Oo. Nare-review ko din kayo. Tapos sa pag-decrease ng pulmonary blood flow, nandun yung tetralogy of